another interesting episode of my life vlog. So today I am going to discuss about the diet plan which I have followed in order to reduce 5 kgs in just 7 days. So with lockdown and everything, even I have put on a lot of weight. So I have tried out different techniques to reduce my weight, but nothing worked. I was starving sometimes, I was eating very less, but everything went into vain. So that time my friend called Naina, she suggested me a diet plan. So that was General Motto's diet plan. So what happens is this diet plan is specifically designed for the General Motors employees when their employees started to gain weight and the obesity started affecting their work-life balance. So this diet plan is really good, and the thing is, we should first have that confidence that yes, we will be able to do it. So just rather than sometimes what happens is on the first day and on the second day we just follow everything, but third day we are like, no, we can't do it. But just imagine for 7 days, if you keep a faith in your mind that yes, by following this, I'm not expecting anything, but I'll do my best in order to follow this plan. Do this way and this will work out for sure, because it did for me. I did everything else but nothing worked out, and I promise you and I challenge you that this is gonna work out. And promise me, I'm not speaking this for any likes or to become my video viral. No, but this is to help all my friends who face the problem same like me. So trust me, even you can do this. So let's discuss this diet plan. So as I have told you that this is going to be 7 days. So let's discuss and let's start from the day 1. So on the day 1 of the GM diet plan, you just have to restrict yourself to the fruits, okay? So the whole day you can eat fruits and drink a lot of water. Sometimes what happens is, people say that take only 1 apple, take only 1 orange. No, this doesn't say anything. Take as much as fruits that you want. And whenever you're hungry, believe me, don't stay hungry. Eat something. Eat apple, orange, watermelon. And watermelon is good in water content, so it will make you full, and also it helps in avoiding dehydration. So eat watermelon, which is really good. First day itself, you can experience 1 kg reduction. So check your weight each day, so that will give you even more confidence, because I'm sure that each day you're going to lose some pounds. I reduced 1 kg in just 1 day by just eating fruits. Okay, and on the second day, avoid fruits. Just eat vegetables. So on the second day, just restrict yourself to vegetables. As you know, on the first day we have taken a lot of fruits, so sugar is on our body. So to reduce that, eat 1 whole boiled potato in morning for breakfast. So this is how you start your second day. Eat a boiled potato for your breakfast, and also in the afternoon, eat boiled vegetables. What I did is I cooked green peas, carrot, cabbage, peas, and mixed all together and added some turmeric, salt for some taste. So that was really good. So try adding that. And in the evening also eat some kind of broccoli. Broccoli is really good. So eat broccoli, carrots, maximum of broccolis and carrot, and beetroot. So add all varieties of vegetables which you love. And in salad, when we add too many varieties of vegetables, the color that it brings and sometimes the masalas that we add, it's too delicious. So you're not going to have any pain while taking this diet, okay? So the first day is full of fruits. Second day, only vegetables. Avoid fruits. So likewise, in 2 days itself, you can see some visible result. On the second day, you may reduce like 1.5 kg. So altogether, first day 1 kg, second day 0.5 kg. So the third day begins, like you can eat both combination of fruits and vegetables on your third day. So start your day with fruits in the breakfast. In the afternoon, you can have a cup of boiled vegetables. And also avoid potatoes. Potatoes is only, only you can eat potato on day 2 for the breakfast, okay? And on the day 4, actually, for me, day 4 was the complicated one. I enjoyed day 1, day 2, day 3 because day 1 fruits, day 2 vegetables, day 3 combination of fruits and vegetables, which was very simple actually for me. But the day 4, it's like morning, you can have 1 glass of milk and 2 bananas. If you're a lover of that, you can eat, no problem. But I didn't like banana, so it was hard for me. But you can replace banana with kiwi. You can search for the alternative always, okay? But 2 bananas and 1 glass of milk in the morning. Afternoon, again 1 glass of milk and 2 bananas. And also in the evening when you're hungry, you can make a diet soup, which is like boiled carrot, cabbage, and make a soup out of it, and you can drink that, which will make you energized, okay? And during the night time, you can have again 2 bananas and 1 glass of milk. So this is a bit hard, the day 4, but what I did is I ate more of vegetables because I couldn't eat banana every time. It was hard for me. But still, by eating vegetables also, it do help. So day 4 is limited to this. And on the 5th day, wow, I was so relieved because on the 5th day we could eat chicken. Because our body needs protein, right? Protein, carbohydrates is necessary. Carbohydrate is necessary for everything. So till day 4, we had to restrict ourselves. But on the 5th day, we can have a chicken. So what I took is I took a breast piece of chicken. I just baked it, but it was really delicious and it just pressed my taste buds. It was so good actually. So have chicken, spinach in the morning. Afternoon, 1 cup of boiled brown rice. You can have chicken as well again and add broccolis. Then in the night time again you can have some vegetables, boiled vegetables or fruits, okay? So from day 5, it's easy. So day 5, day 6, day 7, you can have chicken. But don't put too much oil, masalas and cook like how we Indians do. Don't do that. We should just bake it. Just add pepper, salt, and bit turmeric, and then just bake it, which is going to be tasty actually. Chicken is anyway tasty, so you don't have to worry about it. So 3 times you can have 30 ounce of chicken, like maybe 1 or 2 pieces of chicken, that's your breast piece, which will give you enough proteins, which you already lost the previous days, so you can gain all those things. So trust me, in the 7 days, if you follow this way, you can lose 5 kgs. So day 5, 6 and 7 is same. You can have chicken, vegetables, but avoid this junk foods and everything. Restrict yourself and eat a lot of watermelon. Watermelon is really good in weight loss. So if you follow this, I promise you, I bet you that even you can reduce your weight. I did. I reduced 5 kg and after 1 month, again I did one for a week, this GM diet. Then again I reduced like 3 kgs. So in total, 8 kgs I reduced in around 1.5 months. And now when I go to office, everyone says, wow, you did reduce and tell me the diet. I'm like, okay, I'm going to post a video. You guys should watch it and follow this. And trust me, this is going to work out for everyone. If this did not work out, just give me or ping me. I'll, what I can do. But I promise you that this will work out. It's not for, as I said, it's not for any subscribers or to get view for my channel, but it is to help my friends in losing their weight as well. Because you feel more confident when you lose weight. When we put on weight, it's so hard for us, right? So just follow this diet. And also before starting this diet, what I suggest is that for like 2-3 days, eat whatever you like, because we have so much cravings, right? I always crave for ice cream, chocolate, biryani and all. So before starting this diet, I made sure that I tasted ice cream, chocolate and biryani. Only then I am like, okay, now I had all what I needed. Now let me start my diet. So do this way, don't, because cravings sometimes make you feel depressed. Don't do that. Don't do that for yourself. So eat whatever you like and then start this diet plan for 7 days and just maintain it. Just try to maintain it. You know, you don't have to restrict anything. Eat whatever you like, but in very small quantities after this. And also make sure that you don't eat after 7 o'clock, because after 7 o'clock, if you eat heavy food, that will put on weight for you. If you want, you can add some fruits to your diet, fruits and vegetables during night time. And morning and afternoon, trust me, now I eat ice cream, chocolate, biryani, everything I eat now. But I make sure that I eat only this thing before 7 o'clock. After 7, I just eat fruits if I'm hungry, or else just sleep like that. That's fine. I really hope this video will be helpful to you all, and keep watching. I really wish this work out for you, and if this do work out, please write this on the comment box so that I'll be more happier. Thank you so much for watching. See you then. Bye.